internationally, it's more of a top-down approach versus us here in Canada, where it's a bottom-up approach. Generally, those countries are rolling out regulations to the industry, and the industry is finding a way to adapt to them and manage them. Here in Canada, we are working with the regulators to help codify the regulations and deliver the technology at the same time. Canada is bringing more of a pragmatic approach to get to quicker regulations and enable the industry a little bit faster. The concept of operation will support our unmanned airline, which will be focused on collection of business intelligence. This will produce us a dependable revenue stream for which we can grow our RTM services to other parts of Canada for others to be able to use and establish commercial operations. Currently in the Canadian landscape, there's a bunch of smaller players, generally underfunded, that are delivering essential components of the RTM system, but they're not all connected together. And so AIRmarket is seeking out those types of companies and partnering with them to bring a consolidated picture for the RTM landscape and bringing it to Canada. These partnerships allow us to reach a commercial viability sooner. Initially, we'll be focused on Alberta to prove out the fundamentals of our strategy. We'll continue to grow our reach through the TELUS infrastructure and by implementing a crowdsourced surveillance capability to our platform.